Hi. Hello. It's gonna be interesting. Welcome to my show. This is Tea Time. So, this is my show. What this is tea time. I'll have a cup of tea, maybe coffee if I'm feeling adventurous, or something else to drink, and I'm gonna talk. There might be footage of other things I've done, like if I went somewhere or did something. There could be gameplay, there could be a tutorial on how to do something in Linux. I don't know. I'm winging it. Whatever happens, happens. But if you're watching this, you're probably new. Because even though I've been making YouTube videos for about 10 years now, most of them are on other channels, or on this channel but privated, because I'm not really proud of anything I made, and there's a lot that goes with that. But this is something that I'm hoping I'm going to actually be proud of, and a product that I'm fine with actually putting out there and leaving out there. So who am I? My name's Zach. I go by Kaz on the internet, or Kazingi. Mostly Kaz is what most people call me. And I don't know, I'm a funny guy on the internet, I think. I don't know. I don't know what I am. I'm hurt right now. Just sling on. I'm an amateur programmer. I say amateur is even kind of a stretch. I'm barely even that. I've taken a programming course. I know a bit about game design. I tried game review for a while. Nobody read or watched any of them, but I still did it, and I think I'm competent at it. I've also tried video essays before, and I might do that again. This could be a place for that. I don't know. We're just going to see where this goes. But I know a lot about video games, movies, and music. Especially music. I play several instruments. The guitar, the violin, the cello, the bass. Not the drums. Terrible at drums. I can keyboard and I can harmonica, but I can't drums. And I can't do almost any wind instrument. You put like a saxophone in front of me, I don't know what to do with it. There are no strings. But yeah, that's what it is. And I'm gonna make videos. And this is gonna be interesting. And we're gonna see where this goes. But for right now, I got tea. Interesting thing about this. This is my favorite tea, my honey chamomile tea, honey vanilla chamomile specifically. And when I made the tea, I used the electric kettle, and I didn't know how much water was in there. Usually I dump it and refill it every time, but this time I didn't. I haven't drank out of this yet, And you'll see it's already half empty because that's how much water was in the kettle. I noticed it boiled really fast. So this is going to be some strong tea. So we'll see how that goes. I put a lot of honey in it to try to balance it out, but I'm thinking the honey is going to be too much. So this will be interesting. That is very honey. Very strong and very honey. Very honey forward. Not a fan of that. Speaking of honey forward, I might cook on this eventually. That might be a thing I do. I don't know. Again, I'm winging it. Every video is going to be completely unique from the other ones, possibly. Some might even repeat. I don't know. I'm not going to promise anything. Right now, there are no schedules. There's no rules. On account of the thing that's happening to the whole world right now that's making everyone stay inside, a lot of these videos, at least right now, are probably going to be at this desk with this webcam. But I do have a camera on my phone that shoots pretty good footage. The intro is actually shot with it. I can edit videos, so who knows, I might walk to the park or do vlogs while walking around, or maybe do stuff with the family. I don't know. We'll see. But for now, this is what this is. And I want to make it clear. Don't expect quality. You might sometimes get quality. Sometimes you're definitely not. It's just what it is. And if you go into this expecting a certain level of jankiness, we're going to be good. So, that's about it. I drink some tea, talk to the camera. That's what this is going to be. Sometimes there might be other stuff, like if I do something interesting. Other times, it's going to be this. I'll usually have a topic. So it'll be like, I went and did this, or, you know, this is a thing that's happening that's interesting to me, or bad, or good. Or this is a thing I discovered, because I recently switched to Linux. I switched off of Windows to Manjaro Linux on everything. My laptop is Pop! OS. I'm completely off of Windows, except for when I want to play VR games or something with anti-cheat. I haven't opened Windows since I've switched, but I probably will eventually. We'll see. And I might talk about that. I might talk about the downfalls with it and the positives that I've personally discovered, some of which people don't tell you, and some of which are very clear from the get-go. I might even try to dispel some of the stereotypes that surround Linux. I know, I'm a relatively large, bald man with a beard. Probably not the best for saying Linux isn't catering to people like that, because I'm a bit of a stereotype at this point. We'll see. I think that about does it for now. This is going to be a short video. Excluding the 1.5 minute, 2 minute long intro. I'm proud of that intro and I'm going to use it for a while. But I edited it with Kdenlive, which is the first thing I ever edited in Linux. I'm quite proud of it. We'll see where it goes from there. See ya. Cheers.